how to make Gmail app as a default mail app on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydic Studio. So if you want to use the Gmail app as a default mail app instead of using mail application on iPhone, then here is how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, not to make the Gmail app default on your iPhone, you just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone first, and from the settings you scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on apps. Now once you're here inside the apps, you just need to scroll down to the mail application. You just need to find out the mail app. You'll get to see the mail. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one, if you scroll down, you'll get to see the default mail app. It's currently selected with the mail, so if you want to use the Gmail app as a default mail app, you can select the Gmail, and now your iPhone default mail app is Gmail. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.